Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video we are going to discuss like how we get a screenshot of our complete web pages. So for this we just need to go to the Google Chrome and here we are going to the Google, and for this we just need to type the Go Full Page Google extension. So by using this extension we get the full page screenshot. Just click on this and add to Chrome and then add extension. We just need to wait a second, 1 to 2 seconds. So here we go, our extensions is added in our Chrome. We just need to pin this, and now I will show you how to use this. You just need to click on this extension, and here is our web page. Here you show that it takes the screenshot of a complete web page, and now I will show you they have two different formats, images and the PDF. So I'm going to download this in the PDF format. Allow this, and here it is our PDF format of our web page. So it's very simple. You just need to use this simple one extension, Glow Full Page. So to get more videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye bye.